number 3. 120 divided by the quantity of 50 minus 20 plus 53. Again, susundan natin ang GMDAS rule. First is G stands for groupings, M multiply, D divide, A addition, S subtraction. So, ang gagawin po natin, dahil mayroon tayong grouping symbol na nakikita, which is yung parenthesis, eto muna yung una nating ipi-perform. Isusubtract natin yung numbers na nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, the answer is 120 divided by yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, which is 50 minus 20 equals 30 plus 53. Okay, so na-perform na natin ang group or groupings. Ang susunod is M multiply. So, wala naman tayong nakikitang operation na multiply, kaya proceed tayo sa divide. So, ang divide natin dito is 120 divided by 30. 120 divided by 30 equals 40. Then, copy natin ang 53. Next is add. So, we add 40 and 53. 40 plus 53 is 57.